Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today is a makeup review to testing tutorial video. I am trying to do loads of these. This is another bargain one, so stay tuned because this is something that's definitely out of my comfort zone. I have never worn this colour before. This was a little bit of a pickup that I kind of wanted to test for myself. But before we get into the actual product and I let you know what it is and we can do the review and my verdict and the tutorial, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video, if you like the product, if you like the content, if you like anything in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because then it helps me out and then I can bring more to you. So definitely give that thumbs up. I would be massively grateful if you could come and join the little tazwells12 love family and my YouTube journey. You can do that by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, and then subscribing to tazwells12 by the clickable button on my main page, which is absolutely free too. And then you can also hit the bell button, which will notify you of a new video when I produce one or put one up or upload one. Do both of them and it doesn't cost you anything, so it's just to come and support me, so that's absolutely great. I just want to say thank you to the supporters that have joined me, or the subscribers, because it means the world to me and I know that you're liking my content that I am definitely putting out there. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. It is all out of my own money and it is not a sponsored video. Please check out my other 2 or 3 social medias, which is one on Twitter and then you've got 2 on Instagram. So you've got tazwells12, which is my normal main account, and then you've got tazwells12 home, which is my home account. So check out, like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, please, that would be more than grateful. But now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this L'Oreal lip paint matte. So this should hopefully be matte, but I've tried matte ones out before and then they end up being completely something different. So it's got matte on there, very loud and clear, so hopefully we do that. This is in the colour 213 Stripped Brown liquid lipstick. So it's just like that, the packaging, and you can obviously see that it's a very dark brown, as you can see on the packaging. But before we get into doing that, I am actually going to lip line my lips. I couldn't really find a really dark lip liner I've got, so I've gone for kind of a brownish one, even though it's a bit lighter than what I'm going to put on my lips, because I'll probably go over it anyway, but it's just to stop the bleeding or maybe enhancing my lips a little bit more. So that is all it is. And the one I'm going to use for that is the Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade 03 Bold. This is quite a new one because I wanted to find a good brown, so this will be a good little way to have a look at it, what I picked up. But this could go with like any nude, that's kind of what I wanted. So I haven't, maybe I should try and find another like really dark lip liner, that might help. I've got red, but that wouldn't have gone with this. So that's the lip line I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put you on a time lapse because I'm going to put my hair up, lip line, and then we will get into the lip paint matte L'Oreal 213 Stripped Brown. For some reason, when I put you on a time lapse and it's getting dark outside, because it gets dark a lot quicker now, and I'm trying to do it like a time lapse, and the ring light, it seems to go absolutely crazy and go really bright in that area. I don't know why that's happening. I was just letting you know that that's what was happening. But we got a good sort of natural light at the moment, as you can see, and I am trying to do you in the best position that you can obviously see. So now we're going to use the lip matte. I haven't used this. I think I looked at it when I first got it. I actually got it out of Poundland. Poundland is a really good little way to like maybe try something new that you've never tried, but obviously in a good way, because it only costs you a little bit of money, but then also takes you up with comfort to get some new shades. Just going to use this sort of foot applicator like that, and we'll always start on the bottom lip because the bottom lip is my fullest. Tastes like Parma violets. Weird. So at the moment, there's two things going on here. Find the taste or the scent, if that makes sense, because it literally is like Parma violets. So if you like Parma violets, it's good for you. If you don't, then you might have a little bit of a problem. But the one thing that I'm sort of a little bit thinking is it's very, very sheer for a brown. So the fact that this was like nearly a dark brown on the outside, it's totally different than what I thought it was going to be. That is literally like, I think it looks like a tint to me more than what is going on here. Let's give it a good shake up. Maybe let's go over with one layer and then go over with another. I just don't want massive amounts of lipstick on my lips because it just doesn't work. And also it's kind of not working with this lip liner, so I kind of did a bad there. But obviously a lip liner should just be a normal lip liner, so why is the product not working with it? But we'll carry on. Another thing is I don't like this applicator. This applicator is not working for me. I don't know why. It's like it's like it's a bit too fluffy. And this is not a nice colour for me. I don't think this colour suited me either. But we'll keep going because I'm not going to give up. And I want to do the whole lip. Like, it's very soft. Like, I can't beat that about it because it is very soft. Right, oh, this is going to dry matte again. Why is none of these dry matte? Why do they say they're matte, but they don't dry matte? I don't understand. I haven't put anything else on my lips. Then a lip liner, and to me, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't know why. I am getting vibes from it. I don't like it. Right, I'm going to put some more on. I don't think I like it. Right. I'm going to be back in like 2 or 3 minutes. See if this does map down like it's saying it is. because it's definitely saying it's matte. So we've got to give it a chance, but let's see what it does in 2-3 minutes, and then I can take my hair down in the meantime. I've come back and took my hair down, and I think I'm ready to give this a verdict. So my verdict on this lip paint matte from L'Oreal Paris in 213 Strip Brown is a big fat. I don't like it. I do not like it. I don't even want to give this to my mum doing anything at all for its favours, right? I was a little bit disappointed in this because I thought it was going to be a nice autumn colour. I thought it was going to really suit me because I'm a brunette. I thought it was going to be a really, really nice sort of lip product. This is a lip product. Colour is alright. Now I've kind of layered it up, but watch this. It says it's matte. What? Again, why is it saying it's matte and then it's physically not, again being matte? You saw that I didn't put anything on my lips. I set with a lip liner, and then it's coming off physically a lot on my hand, and that's been on my lips for quite a few minutes now. A matte lipstick is literally meant to go on and matten up. That's the whole point of a matte lipstick. Why is it doing this? Definitely not matte, so that kind of put me off. The colour payout on it, like literally I had to put like a couple of layers on it, and I've done that, as you can see. And also, I hate my teeth, by the way. It's going on my teeth. It's going on my teeth a lot. I had to rub it off on my teeth. I do not like this product at all. I want to get it off my lips. I do not like it. I hate it so much. It is a horrible, horrible product. It's not giving me like that to that. It's nothing. It bled, as you can see. It literally didn't like the applicator. The applicator was like fluffy, very soft, like that bit, but it was like literally like horrible. It was just not a good shape. The colour just didn't go on very well. Like, it's gone patchy again. It didn't mix with a lip liner. I just don't think this product's got any beneficial like things about it that I kind of thought I was gonna like. So I'm gonna be 2 minutes back and I'm gonna get this off my lips because I genuinely do not like it. Sorry, my face is a little bit red because where I like rubbed it off, but literally I had to get that off. That was horrible. I do not like this product. This is going straight in the bin. I'm sorry to say, but I do not like this. I love L'Oreal products, but unfortunately on this one, they just didn't work. Maybe it is literally because it is the lip shade, or it is meant to be matte, and that's why I thought it was going to go straight on matte, very, very dark, and stay there. Like, if you want a dark lipstick, it needs to stay there. Like, honestly, reds and darks need to stay on there unless it's a lip gloss and you can work it, but I don't think I could work this. That's the whole point. So this is going straight in the bin. My verdict is a thumbs down, unfortunately, for this product. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video. If you liked the product or you didn't, and you liked the video and you liked how I tutorialed this lip matte paint L'Oreal Paris 213 Strip Brown liquid lipstick, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, because it tells me that you want to see more of these and I can test more products that I've got. Loads of lip colours. I've got literally loads of products to go through, so definitely give it a thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page and the bell button if you want to see the newest video uploaded. That can absolutely be done by just clicking the button and you can join. It would be more than welcome that you can join the little family. Thank you for the supporters that have already joined, all my subscribers. It means the world to me and I would love to see loads more of you join. The video is not sponsored by L'Oreal or Poundland or any of the brands I did mention. This is all out of my own money, so it's just an advice video for you guys. And it was a good job I did, because sometimes the products do go a big massive flop, even for me, the ones that I really want to test out. So that's just the way it goes, but that's the whole point of the videos. So they're just an advice video, so they're not sponsored at all. If you would like to check my other social medias out, which was 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram, tazwells12, which is my main account, tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, please. That would be great. This has come unfortunately to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you enjoyed the advice or liked it, or it gave you a chance to maybe look at a L'Oreal product if you've never bought them before. Or they're not always like that, it just might be just this one that I've picked up. But yeah, that's the whole point of the video. It's just literally an advice video for you guys. Thank you for supporting and thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.